This video will introduce the wiring of ARD2F main module. The main module is fixed on the 35mm guide rail through the buckle on the back. The wiring starts from the lowest power supply, voltage and current. The auxiliary power supply is taken from the lower end of the circuit breaker. Any phase L wire is connected to the terminal 1 and line is connected to terminal 2. The three-phase voltage is also taken from the lower end of the circuit breaker, and line is connected to terminal 3. A, B, and C phase are connected to terminals 4, 5, and 6, respectively, through the fuse. Yellow, blue, red, and black 4 lines from the transformer are connected to terminals 43, 44, 45, and 42, respectively. The above is the wiring of ARD2F power supply, 3-phase voltage, and 3-phase current.